Okay, we'll go over to the model view now. You'll see 3 tables I've got here. 2 dimension, 1 fact. We will go into that later on. We are connected here by these 2 dimension tables. So this is 1 to many, and again 1 to many going in a single direction, which we again will touch on in the future. This is where Power BI shows how your tables are connected here to each other, and the model view shows the structure of your data. Each box is a table, and each line represents a relationship between those tables. What happens generally is this is where Power BI works out how filters move from one table to another. It's how Power BI knows the data should change when you interact with the report in the report view. What doesn't happen here, you don't generally clean the data here, and you don't really build obviously the visuals. And a mental image of this is, think of a model view as the wiring behind the walls. You don't see it when you're using the report, but everything depends on it. Relationships are wrong or missing, then visuals behave strangely. And there are some rules that we stick by. Generally, we don't do many-to-many relationships. Common beginner mistake, I did it. People often ignore the model view completely, then wonder why nothing really makes sense. So this is very, very important. And the key takeaway, if the model is wrong, the report will always behave oddly, no matter how good it looks.